Hello guys, in this video tutorial I will show you how to export high quality video in MP4 format in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's start. For this video tutorial, I will use my old typewriter video tutorial. Marking the video starting and out point. After marking, then go to File menu option. Hover on the Export option. Click to open the media. Click on Format option, make sure to select the H264. After that, click on this blue option to give the name and path. Then click on the video option. Under the video option, you will find render at maximum depth. Make sure to click and check this. Also make sure to click and checked on the use maximum render quality. And then click on export button to export your video. It will take some time for exporting. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe and like for more interesting videos.